And you think say it is a different life for somebody who not have a chick nor a child under this quarantine,
True, all of my opinions are
Believe
country.
you me.
Mike is gonna country.
Exactly. Guys, we're back. I digested the bun.
No, she did not.
I did.
Clive, what the bun is like? See that?
What bun?
No man,
If you ever, Clive,
yeah, man.
as someone knows that me and you that done today as
Clive,
floor manager
you really
and
make it threatening?
employee. Thank
Wow.
you. So
So now people you see how she is. She threatens people.
no. I show you my real
understand.
colors. Dwayne Hyde and do everything in the breaks.
No, sir.
So IG is seeing a surge in challenges, guys. I guess it's out of boredom, but the Don't Rush challenge it's been the rave for the past 2 weeks. All sorts of Don't Rush challenges. So since we're at the beach, we're gonna do a swimwear version, and we asked our Smile Jammers to submit their videos. Watch this.
We are rapidly approaching the phase of community transmission. Usually this is the period of time
Go back on.
Go to bed. No.
No beach food.
Oh, that was good. That was very good.
No, it's a
but
lot of
Dwayne, you can
challenges.
never complain, so you never get nothing yet on the show because that was just for you alone.
Oh, I mean, Chad is here to enjoy himself. Clive is here to enjoy
This
himself.
is such a male-dominated
No, it's
studio.
not. No, it's not. It's not that me.
That's right, Erica, your wife
No,
watch
that's why I never call him
Dre.
name. So I never call him name because I know him. Turn him head away when the whole video play him. Look behind him. I was like, all right.
You see this brotherhood?
I was like, all right.
That's why I'm telling you, say, woman.
No man, he looked away. He looked away. On that note, we've got the bikini boss, Simone Michelle of Miss Sim Beach Babe on the line. Sim, good morning.
Hey, how are you?
You're dressed in your beach wear.
She is.
Yeah.
I'm on beachwear.
Beachy vibe, not somewhere.
You have a cover up.
Wow, Dwayne knows what a cover-up is now.
That's cool now. How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
To be honest, I'm borderline insane.
He's teetering.
Yeah,
He's teetering. He's on the line of,
I'm
of
close.
I
losing
think
it.
most of us are.
Oh boy.
All right, so there's no Easter plans this weekend. Nothing at all that you can do on the road. What are you doing for Easter?
Ah, I think she might be frozen.
You know what's funny?
Or maybe she's thinking. A joke. A joke. No, that I think we might be having a little bit of technical difficulties. But until we get her back, what were your plans for the Easter weekend?
Easter, my birthday is
Coming up.
2 weeks from now.
Yeah.
Usually on Easter, I go spend time with family, as always. I think I probably will do the same.
Do you usually do parties?
No, man, not on Easter week. Not when there's a big crowd of people. I don't know the crowd. Like if it's a small gathering, yeah, I like that.
So you go beach, you're usually one of the beach people. So, I must say something the other day, I nearly pop up, right?
Did it pop up?
No, I didn't pop up. I said nearly pop up.
What would I make it pop up?
Huh?
What would I make it pop up? If you did laugh?
I'll think about it and see
If you did laugh?
Yeah, but I nearly pop up. So the Prime Minister said, right, beaches are closed, nobody's supposed to go to the beach. Boom, Mrs. Smaddy underneath it, so we can go river. Like, seriously, people? Like, as there's a God?
But it's true.
Seriously?
It's a good question.
Inside the river, them locked too. Them locked too.
No.
Don't go. It says so. All places of recreation are locked. You are not going anywhere. So what the girl them do, them take out them put on them swimsuit and they do what? Go to their bed. Go.
That's a good question though.
Whoop.
That's a good question.
And guy up head. Come go up and go sleep.
What is the rivers in them backyard?
Well, that's fine. That's on your property. But you cannot invite people from outside and make a party of it on your property.
True.
Let's get that straight.
But gatherings of 10 or more or so?
Hello.
I'm just asking.
Stop it. And be mindful of the fact
that
we're trying to keep people safe.
Yeah, I know. And everything that's on the internet, they probably come for me. Go to the front and they come for me as they come.
So by the time I reached outside yesterday,
Officer come and say.
DSP was so good. She's probably waiting on you out there.
She said, extra come, public mischief, come. I can't remember.
That would be funny to me, actually.
Of course it would be.
Of course. I would play that on IG for people.
You'd have a show this weekend.
A what?
A show, would you?
Oh, you mean I would?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man, definitely. Easter holiday, any kind of public holiday would be
attack me a
working.
while ago?
Eh?
A what? See how quick it attack me?
No, meaning that there's nothing happening. Not even that. And I miss the theater. I feel like part of me missing, like a chunk out of my life.
Like
gone.
a third of your life.
Yeah, it feel weird. If you ever throw that thing.
Throw
He's
what?
been trying to get those things back in my hair. Stop. I am not a dartboard.
True.
And nobody sees these things.
I don't know what you're talking about. Simone?
We have Sim back on the line.
Yes, internet issues.
Yes, we know the internet under pressure, beloved. Everybody is
I
on
can
it.
imagine.
So back to the good old trusty phone line.
Yes.
Yeah, so as I was saying, what are your plans now since Easter weekend is cancelled?
Well, typically, because it's carnival time, I usually be swamped in work anyway. So if I get to squeeze in one beach or pool day, that's a privilege. Now that I have all this downtime, might just be relaxing, working on some projects around the house, chilling, eating bun and cheese.
So I know that you are an immaculate old girl.
Yeah.
So, you know, I have to make sure to mention that because we can't go anywhere without saying that first.
Of
But
course not.
how has COVID-19 changed your way of life?
For me, it's just a lot of rescheduling. For example, in March, I would have gone for a supply trip for carnival supplies Easter weekend, getting fabric and for swimwear. And I mean, the day before I was supposed to travel was when we got our first case, so it was a bit panicky. So I've just had to, before we knew that carnival was postponed, I had to be shipping in all my products. So it's a little bit, obviously it's a bit more expensive than if I was to just travel and get all my supplies.
So you still went ahead with getting all of that stuff knowing that this was happening?
Well, like I mentioned, you know, we just got our first case that the day before I was supposed to travel. So I was thinking it would be better to just have them rather than not, just in case. Which it kind of did work out anyway, because I mean, it's good to have them on hand anyway. Just now have to wait a little longer to use them.
All right, so there's some pictures on screen of your creation.
Yes.
These are lovely, by the way.
Thank you very much. I'm not looking because I didn't want to be back.
Dwayne is enjoying this morning's show.
This is your current collection, Monday, right?
Right, so I have a swimwear collection out and a Monday wear collection. The swimwear collection is called Public Holiday, which is swimwear, so for the beach party vibes. And then Monday is my Monday wear collection, which goes with Carnival. And these pieces are a little bit more festive, a little more exciting. People can wear these to Carnival events or to beach parties, but they're geared towards Carnival events.
Your brand sounds like it's always evolving. There's always something new.
We have to stay on top of the game, you know. A mixture of doing what I love and giving the people what they want.
Yeah, so with COVID-19 now a reality for us, what direction does your brand go now?
Oh, what direction? I really just use the downtime to plan. Right now, I'm not working on a collection or anything, but you know, with the time between now and like Carnival and our new Easter weekend, which will now be Heroes Weekend, I can just use the time to plan a little bit better, work on some new work on some new marketing ideas, get people familiar with the products that I have. So it's really just a time to reorganize and come out stronger.
Are you making masks?
I am not actually.
I was
Very
about
many
to
people
ask.
have been asking me if I'm making masks. I mean, I make a few for my friends or like myself. I'm pretty sure in the future we'll be traveling and wearing masks regardless. So
Yep.
I'll have some to be protected. But I'm not doing mass production of masks right now.
Yeah,
Alright.
a lot of designers have redirected, but thank you so much for speaking with us this morning. And
No problem. Thank you too.
we pray that come October or whenever it is that you guys are able to celebrate Carnival, that your collection will be all over the place. And
Thank you. I hope so too. From your mouth to God's ears.
Dwayne, tell us thanks for the entertainment because a bear woman you look for from money.
Miss him
No problem.
Beach
Thanks for
Babe.
having me, guys.
Thank you, Simone. Thank you so much. Designer Simone Michelle. And yeah, everybody's life has been affected by COVID-19. We're all staying home, but it's good to see most of us are in good spirits.